Hi, my name's Chris Horton, and today we're at the MarineMax here in Fort Walton Beach, and I'm on a 2019 NauticStar 20-foot XS center console. It's your leaning post. It also has a cooler that comes with it. I really like the fold-down bench seat in the back. It gives you plenty of room to fish. And it's got the Yamaha 154-stroke that, by the way, if you purchase by the end of August, you'll get an additional 2-year warranty for free, so it'll give you 5. There's your live well. T-top, stainless steel switches, footrest, padded bolsters up front with a big fish box. A great fishing boat, a very dry ride, plenty of room for your rods, and if you want to put a toilet in here, you've got a head compartment that's plenty large enough. If you'd like to know more information, give me a call at 850-974-6032.